grows inside me. With the pain that chooses hiding, I'll wake up to brave another day. Midnight moon, I sing to you, hoping that you respond to all my dearest worries that I despise. Words that stopping things in my heart, the memories. Now I can't breathe and I'm not moving forward to a place I call my own, in a space where I belong. My woes too tangled to wash away. I can't thrive when I let you closer to my heart, and I try to let you out to play the game, but I don't know where it is and where I start. Please just see my tears and all my fears and recognize I'm trapped in lies. I will never find my own way out. I can't thrive when I let you closer to my heart, to my heart. We've been life I wanna lead, see reflections of real me, shattered by temptation that wins me over. Separate me from the past, hoping that this change will last. I can't seem to run away any faster. Never know if pain was gone, so I continue to move on to reach a goal I'm yet to comprehend. Feel the rhythm of my tears as the dark shadows clear. Life beginning to take me away. I can't thrive when I let you closer to my heart, and I try to let you out to play the game, but I don't know where it ends and where I start. Please just see my tears and all my fears and recognize I'm trapped in lies. I will never find my own way out. I can't thrive when I let you closer to my heart, to my heart, to my heart. Woo! Woo!
I'd whistle if I knew how to. I'd whistle if I knew how to.
That's all right, thank you. That was an original song of ours called Thrive. So this next one up is Amy.
I'm walking down the street, don't know where I wanna go, don't wanna be anything I'm not, but what I am, you are, might find out soon. I hope. Will you change the path I take simply with your name matched on my refrain? Oh, I tried to escape, but curiosity pulled me back to try to. So here we are again, round the bend. Something isn't quite right, my friends. Oh, what do you do when you're alone? Do you listen to what you can't have, what you don't own, what you don't want, what you can't see, what you can't speak, and what you can't be? Oh, please give me a little insight into you. So here we are, and I'm wondering if you're wondering. Can you wonder if you wonder? Cause I'm wandering in search of the real you. Yeah, here we are, and I'm going if you're going, where to go? I don't know where I was, it's who I don't wanna be. So please, baby, won't you maybe tell me, maybe I'm your baby, but baby, I'm not anymore. What's in store at the end of the day for us? This the best it gets. So what do you do when you're alone? Do you listen to what you can't have, what you don't own, what you don't want, what you can't see, what what you can't speak and what you can't be. Oh, please give me a little insight into you. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. To what I can't have, what I don't own, what I don't want, what I can't see, what you can't speak, and what I can't be. Oh, please give me a little insight into you, yeah. Woo!
Ow! Killing it.
Cool.
So that
So
was
good.
again original called Amy. And by the way, we are the Masaharu Effect.
Yes.
So that's us here. We're gonna do a little bit of musical chairs, if you will.
This next one's called Swift BS. We wrote it one day. Chris and I we're part of a bigger band, and then we're like let's keep playing music together. We enjoy it. So I was sitting in my bed one day. She just knocked on the door. Was like, Jim, I have a song. And she pulls it over. She's like, go, let's go to get your bass. So we ran to the bass, and she sang this bass line, and we just kind of pieced it together from there. So this song happened in 5 minutes, but one of our favorites. So yeah, this is Swift BS. All right.
That I see on my face, all the